Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this curved designed electronic alarm clock. This is the model TCA-245. It's 12 and 24 hours, so it's switchable whether you want military time or not, and easy to set up. Nothing really around the box. Back just has manufacturing information. So let's open up this little alarm clock, see what we get in here. So we have our power cable, an included micro USB power cable. This is how you power the alarm clock. Then we have the included power brick for the USB cable. Nice for it to come with that. We have, it's just cardboard. And then that's it for the box. The actual alarm clock, you can see it comes with a nice little user's guide. This gives you all the info of how to set the time, how to set your alarms, everything you'd need to know on actually using this alarm clock. And then our curved alarm clock. So the stand is already on it, already ready to go for you. On the back, you've got your volume control, you've got your power plug, you've got lock, time, and alarm, and then up, down, and your snooze button right in the middle. So this would be a great alarm clock for at the side of your bed if you're somebody who still enjoys a traditional alarm clock over your cell phone. That'll do it for this electronic curved design alarm clock. Thanks again to this company for sending it to me to unbox and show you everything that comes inside of here. You get everything you need to power and start using this alarm clock as soon as it arrives. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.